Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What is this? Why am I pointing at you? What is the reason for that? Doesn't make any sense. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Why can't my hands just fucking chill out? Hey guys. I'm a hot mess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, right here on my eyeballs. Let's just get started. I already did this eye, as you can see. Super cute. I didn't do the wing all the way on my lid. I just did it kind of halfway. I know you can't really see it, but I have really small lid space. I already primed my lids with this Kylie concealer. And as you could probably tell, I did my base. I did this eye, my brows. I did some fake freckles. I put my highlighter on, all good with that. The only thing left is this eye and my lips. So I'm going to be using the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. First I'm going to put this color right here on the crease and outer corner, and this one is called Sugar Cane. Next, I'm gonna put Tongue Pop right here on the same place. I'm also gonna put that underneath my waterline. And now I'm gonna put Prick right here on the outer corner and a little bit in the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take that Kylie concealer and this flat brush. I actually really like. It's Mystique Professional GD15 lip liner. But this is actually really good. This I will recommend for cutting the crease. It's really good. I'm gonna take this Artist Couture . This is Mermaid Fantasy. I'm just gonna put that on the concealer. Next I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild liquid liner. This is in Voltage Blue. I'm just going to put that on the outer side. I'm not going to go on my lid all the way. And I'm going to take this highlighter that I used on my face. This is the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Prosecco Pop. Prosecco Pop, I really am hoping that I'm saying that right. Just going to put that on the inner corner and the brow bone. Now I'm going to put on these lashes really quick. These are Nobody lashes. I got them from a local beauty store and they were like $2, so super cheap. Check your local beauty store because you might find some goodies. Well, after I apply the lashes, I'm going to apply this Big Shot mascara by Maybelline. Okay, now that I put on some lashes and some mascara, I'm going to throw on this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick by Coco. And this one is Clo Money. Maybe with some lip gloss. I'm also going to throw on this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.